Okay, algebra. I know that you are super excited about solving systems of equations, especially when we're using substitution. So we're going to go through one example, and let's see, which example are we going to do? We're not going to do number one. That one is a little bit more straightforward. Let's do number two. So if we were going to do number two, we would have to solve one of these for x or y, because we don't have an x equals or a y equals. So since we don't have the x equals or y equals, then we're going to have to solve. Okay? Actually, I changed my mind. We're not even going to do this one by substitution. We're going to learn how to do that one tomorrow. I take it back. We're going to do number 4. So number 4, I can easily solve an x equals or a y equals. What would I solve for in this first equation? Would I solve for x equals or y equals? I'm hoping you said x equals 2. So I could take this and I could rewrite it x minus 3y equals negative 9. And now I can solve that for x. I can get x by itself. If I do that, what am I going to have to move? My minus 3y. So I have to do that by adding 3y to both sides. Can I add the 3y and the negative 9 to each other? I can't. You're right. So this will zero out. I'll have x is equal to, now remember I want to put that 3y in front. 3y, and this is a minus 9, so negative 9. This is that literal equation where we solved for literal equations. Now I have x equals. And now I can take it, I can substitute this in to my second equation in for my x. Right? So I'm going to rewrite my second equation. I'm going to put a parentheses where that x is because I'm going to replace that. I've got a minus 2y. I got equals 7. What's going to replace the x? 3y minus 9. All right. I got to solve this. I've got to get rid of my parentheses. I'm going to get rid of my parentheses by distribution. So when I distribute, I'm going to get 5 times 3 is 15y. 5 times 9, negative 9, is negative 45. And then here I have a minus 2y, and it's equal to 7. Okay? So now I've got like terms on this side. I need to combine those. 15y plus negative 2y gives me 13y. Bring down my minus 45. Still equal to 7. Now what do I have to do? Yep, I have to move my 45. I'm going to do that by adding a positive 45, right? That will zero out. I'm going to bring down my 13y. 7 plus 45 is indeed 52. I'm going to divide both sides by 13. And I'm going to get y is equal to what? 4. Great. So I can start my answer by writing my ordered pair. And my y is equal to 4. Now I have to figure out what my x is. How am I going to do that? I'm going to use this. X equals negative 3y minus 9. Or 3y minus 9, I'm sorry. So instead of that y, I'm going to put my 4 there. That will give me 12 minus 9. And 12 minus 9 is 3. Bring down your x so that this says x equals. That will help keep yourself straight for your ordered pair. So you get 3, 4. So you have one solution here. And my one solution is 3, 4. Remember when we have infinite or any solution. We can write any of those words. And then when I have parallel lines, it's 0 solutions or no solution or none, and go from there. So that's our notes. That's our notes video for today. I know, you're welcome. Make sure you watch to the end. We're going to talk through a couple more of those, one more of those examples in class, and then we're going to work on our worksheets. So this is really kind of a day 2 of substitutions, kind of cementing the skills. So God bless, and good night.